It's 4:47 right now, and I don't know why I'm making this video, but you actually need to watch this video because it's just me having my thoughts about what's happening right now. Especially if you're lost, dude, like you gotta watch this video. So we are in a year that I think that's gonna be a super fast-paced environment. We enter the era of there's AI helping you on a specific task. We reach into the area wherein AI can do anything. And what doesn't mean is that you don't have actually an excuse about what you can't do, because it's an issue of like how willing you want to do something, because there's already AI. There's a bunch of things that can help you out there. You want to do video editing, there's AI that can help you regarding video editing on specific stuff. You can even spoon fit it on whatever you're having a problem, right? Whether you're making content, you can make AI do scripts for you. Let's say you're an artist or musician, you can make AI do everything for you. I think for this video, guys, if you're watching this, I beg you, use AI in parts that can really like help your life. There's a bunch of AI tools out there: video editing, some AI for vibe coding, AI for photo generation, or even video generation. There's a bunch of them. And it's very hard for you to actually like know how to use each of one of them, right? So the technique always is like, you start with the basics. Maybe ChatGPT, maybe you're using Gemini, maybe you're using DeepSeek, maybe you're using Claude, right? And have these basic problems first into AI and let AI help you. So maybe you're having this problem, right? Just ask everything, bro. Like in my case, I improve everything into my aspects in life, in terms of decisions, in terms of finances, in terms of business like ideas, to like what to invest in, what should be my strategy. Everything improved because AI helps me to be able to feed more information. Sometimes it's gonna be like, hey, I didn't know about that information, but like AI can help you regarding that. It's just pretty much it, man. Like for me, in my case, use ChatGPT. Even ask ChatGPT maybe on like, you see a specific stuff, and then you can even ask ChatGPT what is the process on that part, right? So it's very easy. It's just one click of the button. If you want to really like take it further, you can always buy subscription, and like subscription is like $20. If you're doing like a decision where it can cost you like thousands or maybe tens of thousands of dollars, it's nothing compared to what you're going to pay, and it's like for 30 days. It's not an affiliate stuff. I don't have any links yet here in this video. Just like my initial thoughts, especially for those people who's just, I can't understand everything, then maybe help AI help you to understand those stuff, right? It doesn't matter if you're slow learner. It doesn't matter, bro. You just have to like take the first step, do everything, okay, into your power until you understand something, and then maybe you integrate AI with stuff that you don't want to do, right? We'll get into that, right? But for the basic questions and everything, dude, like even if you search Google right now, they're using AI just to feed you an information. There's literally no excuse right now. What you just have to do is log in, let everything happen into the world. Maybe it's World War III, or we can pray for them, we can condemn anyone, but like at the end of the day, I think it will end, but you don't know when, right? So instead of being like someone who's like watching your stuff, I'm not trying to do some sort of like toxic positivity. What instead is like, try to spend this time to be able to refine yourself or like help yourself, because like I told you, we entered the time wherein the scalability is super fast. It's like your imagination is like, it's not even impossible to do anything now. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just want to share with you guys. Again, it's 4 a.m. thoughts for me, but who knows, it may help you guys, it might not. But like for me, that's just like my dilemma, bro, because like after I use AI for like a year, it's just like everything is super worth it. I think I'm definitely gonna do more videos regarding, I will discuss more stuff about AI, but I think that's pretty much like what I want to say. So I think that's pretty much it, guys, and have a great evening.